In today's video, I'm going to teach you about whether you should import transactions into Monarch Money by discussing the pros and cons of doing so. Let's begin with the benefits of this process, as there are several notable ones. First and foremost, one of the biggest advantages is automated data entry. By linking your bank accounts or uploading CSV files, Monarch Money can automatically import transactions, which significantly reduces the amount of manual entry you need to perform. This not only saves time, but also minimizes the risk of human errors, so your financial tracking becomes more accurate and efficient. Alongside improved data entry, importing transactions provides you with a comprehensive financial overview. The transactions you import are seamlessly integrated into your cash flow reports and budgets. This integration allows you to gain a holistic view of your financial health, giving you a better understanding of where your money is going and helping you make informed financial decisions. Another advantage worth mentioning is enhanced budget accuracy. With up-to-date transaction data constantly feeding into your system, your budget reflects your real-time spending. This real-time reflection aids in more accurate and reliable financial planning, thus ensuring you're on track to meet your financial goals. Now, let's shift gears and discuss some of the downsides associated with importing transactions. One potential drawback is the risk of duplicate entries. If you happen to manually enter a transaction that is later automatically imported, Monarch Money doesn't merge them, leading to duplicates. This issue is frequently reported by users, especially those who prefer to enter transactions in anticipation. Additionally, Monarch Money lacks an undo function for CSV imports. Once you upload a CSV file, any mistakes made cannot be undone with a single click. Instead, you are left with the task of manually deleting transactions or even removing the entire account to start over, which can be time-consuming. Another challenge users face involves the formatting requirements for CSV files. Monarch Money expects specific formatting. For example, amounts should be positive for income and negative for expenses. If the files are misformatted, it could result in inaccurate data representation, complicating your financial tracking further. Furthermore, there's limited support for large accounts. Importing large CSV files, especially those with over 5,000 transactions, can be problematic. It's advisable to upload in smaller batches to ensure successful imports without technical hiccups. To navigate these challenges effectively, consider employing some best practices. When entering transactions manually, it's beneficial to tag them as manual. This way, you can easily identify and delete them once the imported transaction appears. Before importing large datasets, test with a small CSV file to ensure compatibility and correct formatting. And importantly, regularly review and reconcile your accounts to maintain accuracy and promptly identify any discrepancies. This routine will help you keep your financial records clean and reliable. Understanding these pros and cons will help you make an informed decision about whether transaction importing suits your financial management needs with Monarch Money.